Cambly learners, my name is Shelly and I'm a tutor on Cambly Kids. Today you'll be learning about shapes. Are you ready? Let's go. This is a triangle. How many sides does a triangle have? 1, 2, 3. This is a square. How many sides does a square have? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a diamond. How many sides does a diamond have? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a rectangle. Good job. How many sides does a rectangle have? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a circle. Great job. How many sides does a circle have? None. A circle doesn't have any sides. This is an oval. How many sides does an oval have? None. An oval doesn't have any sides. Shapes are all around us. They're everywhere. Will you help me find shapes around the house? You can pause the video at any time. I'll wait for you. Let's find a triangle. This is a triangle. Let's find a square. This is a square. Let's find a diamond. This is a diamond. Let's find a rectangle. This is a rectangle. Hello? Let's find a circle. This is a circle. Let's find an oval. This is an oval. Great job finding shapes today, Cambly learners. From the bottom of my heart, I give you 5 stars. For those of you who are not yet familiar with Cambly Kids, let me just tell you that Cambly Kids gives you instant access to amazing native English tutors who are kid-friendly, just like me. Ask your parents to schedule your next lesson with me using the link below. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.